This soap causes breast cancer and everyone uses it daily. Soap is one of the products we use daily in our home, either at the time of shower or to wash our hands. There are a lot of brands, each of them manufactures soaps in different ways and presentations. What many do not know is that most of the products used to make soaps are made from highly harmful chemicals, capable of producing in us diseases as dangerous as the cancer itself. So we'll tell you in this video of a soap that causes breast cancer. Several recent studies have accurately confirmed that triclosan is a chemical ingredient that potentially strengthens the formation of cancer cells. An endless number of hygiene products and beauty have as main ingredient to this harmful compound. In recent research in South Korea, it has been confirmed that the effects of triclosan on the hormonal system are highly harmful. All of us are surrounded by hundreds of products, such as creams, makeup, and even soap that causes breast cancer, having in its composition the triclosan as the main ingredient. In addition to triclosan, there is also phenol-octyl, another chemical compound extremely harmful to our health, found in this type of beauty products and antibacterials. The combination of these two chemical ingredients is a deadly mix for all of us. What kind of soap should I buy? As mentioned above, most soaps that are marketed possess this ingredient. So the recommendation is to look at the label to know if it contains it. If it contains it, do not buy it. The most convenient is that to avoid suffering any kind of illness or disease that may arise from this series of chemical ingredients, is that you always try to acquire natural products and made from pure ingredients, such as plants or spices. The disadvantage is that such products are sometimes more expensive, since they do not have a great impact like the rest of the soaps, but it is worth investing in health. Now that you know what is the ingredient that puts your health and the health of your family at risk, spend more time reviewing the labels or use the alternatives we mentioned. We suggest you share this article so everyone knows about this dangerous